G'day, Jerry here from the Hut again. Going to introduce the third product in our Maker's Kit range, and that's the coin pouch. This unusual shape, when I say unusual, this triangular shaped pouch, it's just something very unique and just so easy to put together. What you receive is obviously in the moleskin bag. You'll have the leathers all cut and punched for the pouch, as you can see. It's in that veg tan as we're doing with all the Maker's Kits to keep that continuity through all the different products. With that in the little envelope is the post and the stud that goes on, the rivet that goes on the back that holds it all together like that. So that's the end product. What you need for that is just a light hammer and maybe a little screwdriver just to tighten up. So that's all you need to put all this together, which I'll show you. Now the first thing that we'll do with this is actually put the post on, this on here. I'll just undo that to show you its location. Now the outer hole here is cut with a little slit in it, so that's obviously to go over the post itself. For the stud, this is how it all shapes up. So if you actually fold it back way into that cone, like that, in its shape, that's how it goes together. So that identifies that's the correct hole for your little poster going. So get your screw part of your post, place it through the hole, get your post, screw your post down onto this. Nice and simple and easy. Now this hole obviously doesn't have the slit in it, so that identifies it as the one we're going to rivet. The same as this here, keeping in mind the one with the little slit, the keyhole as they call it, is the one for the post. So for the triangle, simple, fold it over and then place those two holes together as you fold to here. Right? So that's now to take shape for your rivet. You place your rivet through here, place your rivet through the other end, right? And here's the other half of the rivet. We'll place it over that. Now, once you've got your rivets on, I've got this little clay anvil here, which is a really handy little tool. But for your rivet, all you've got to do is just gently hammer this down. You don't go hitting it, overhitting it, squashing it. It's just a little tap down onto that. That'll hold that into place. And once you've got that done, we fold this over. Here goes the little keyhole over our post. That's all tight and stiff at this time, but that's good. That's how you want it, because as it gets older, it'll free up and do a lot more character. And there's the finished product. Now I'd like to let that sit for a while, right? Let it take the shape, but you'll see that as that gets older, it'll grow in character. As I keep saying, always this little bit of leather conditioner to keep these things in good nick all the time. But just a lovely little project, lovely little gift. It's a unique sort of gift. And I'm sure not only something that carry coins in, it might be for rings or this or that. So I hope you enjoy the coin purse, and keep an eye out for our next ones, because as we step further into this, our next one's going to actually be stitching. So that's the coin pouch from the Hut. Hooroo from the Hut.